Okay, welcome to my tutorial on how I get every single piece of my hair to be a spiral, ringlet, whatever you want to call it. But basically, it just looks like I finger coiled every single piece of my hair, but I didn't. And I'm going to show you how to do that with a brush way faster than finger coiling all of your hair. So this is the product that I use. All products are going to be left in the description. This is the best product I've used for my hair yet in the whole 20 years I've been alive. It's really lightweight and it leaves my hair moisturized, seals it, but it's a 4-way conditioner. So I'm just adding all of that all over my head up until it feels moisturized, but just know I'm going to be adding a little bit more in between every time that I do a section of my hair. Now I'm adding oil to my scalp and to my ends. Honestly, you can do this at the very end. I'm just doing this because I just got done wearing a wig and my scalp was really dry. My hair was dry, it was just crusty. It was just a mess. As you can see, it just looks a mess right now. This is right after washing my hair and right after taking off my wig. So I'm putting a lot of oil. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how I section my hair. I usually start by the bottom, but I'm going to section it off about 2 or 3 inches of hair, not too thick, not too thin. And then I'm going to put the rest of my hair up. It's just easier to work with. I advise you use a clip just so you're not constantly taking it out. I don't know where mine is. But basically, I was just showing you how my hair just looks, it doesn't look clumped together. That's why I'm adding more water and I'm adding more product so that my hair clumps together better and all of the curls form bigger. If that makes sense? You'll see what I mean. But it was just really dry and it wasn't going to clump together at all. So the curls were going to be frizzy and not looking their best. So basically I'm using a round brush. I've used a diamond brush before, but in my opinion, these round brushes give me better spirals, better curls, all in all, a better curl. And they're easier to use. They don't snag out my hair at the rubber core. So I'm showing you how this is the ringlets itself. They're already formed. This is basically what it would look like if I finger coiled my hair, but nobody has time for that. And I'm showing you how to do it again, so I'm just going to go ahead and re-wet the roots so that they're soaking, and then I'm going to add a little bit more product just so my hair clumps together easier. And then what I'm going to show you, this is how I get the curls to form. You want to go with the way your curls go themselves. So for my hair, I put the brush backwards and it forms the curl itself. It forms the ringlet itself. I'll show you right now. I slowed it down a little bit so you guys can see easier, so it's kind of hard to explain, easier to look at. But that's what I do. And then I go ahead and scrunch it up. Now you'll see if you're doing it the right way for your hair because the curls will form themselves. If it didn't form, then try the other way, inside instead of out, and you should get the result you need. Showing you the back, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and section off the rest of my hair. I'm doing every piece of my hair by section. I'm doing the same process over and over, and then except for my bangs. If you guys want me to show you how to do my bangs, I can do that, but it's the same thing. I'm just finger coiling my bangs. That's the one part of my hair that I finger coil my bangs just to make sure they're in the right space, in the right place in my face, But now I'm cupping the bottom of my hair just to make sure that the curls don't dry straight at the bottom or more curly. These are my bangs after I diffuse them. I do that first just so they can stay up. And this was the end result. All of my hair is dry now. It took about a whole day. I went to work and came back and my hair was dry. But it's the first day here. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. I hope I helped. Enjoy the song. part. Bye. Hope you guys have a great day, night, whatever time it is. I feel it after midnight, a feeling that you can't fight my one. It lingers when we're done. You believe God is a woman. But Mr. Tiffany's and bottles and bubbles. Love with tattoos who like getting in trouble. Lashes and diamonds, ATM machines.
So that's it. There's nothing else to talk about. You guys can ask me all the questions you want. Like, I'm done. Done.